going camping.
Beautiful path to our campsite.
How's it going, Brit? Insurance claim for Brandon. Brandon!
You got a gallon. It's in there today. You got a gallon, Leo?
No!
Oh, so pretty.
Your turn. Oh, it's a video. Look. It's Brit.
I can't even see your face. I don't think I can see your face at all. There, I can see it now.
Hope your sunset.
So any fishies? Yeah, fishy. Where'd you go, fishies? There's definitely a fish over here. Oh, I see it. Oh, there's two. I hope you guys can see it. Can you see it? Where are they? Right there. Oh, there it is. There's a fishy. How was that?
Bath. Cold.
It's not that
fresh.
cold. It's not that cold.
It's fresh.
Oh, hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Having some PB&J grilled.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Measure these plates or no?
One of these guys on it, or fucking one of these spinners.
I like the spinny ones.
That might work it too.
Oh, I got dirt and shit already. Just fucking got it.
Hey there. What's up?
Just hoping something fishy grabs my line. Fishy.
Smile at the camera and say cheese.
No luck.
Ew.
Okay, wash it off.
Oh my god, that's so gross.
Okay, I'll let you go.
What? Smile.
Ellie.
My camping spot.